You have likely seen those privacy pop-ups on every website. That is the GDPR in action. Let's look at what this regulation actually covers. At its heart, the GDPR is a comprehensive set of rules designed to give individuals control over their own digital footprint and personal data. Introduced by the European Union in 2018, it set a new global standard for how companies must handle, store, and process your private information. The regulation grants you specific rights, including the ability to request your data, have it deleted, or move it to a different platform entirely. Unlike older, loose regulations, the GDPR forces companies to be transparent and imposes massive fines if they mishandle your digital identity. Companies must prioritize transparency and active consent, ensuring that security and storage limitations are built into their systems from the very beginning. The bottom line is that your data is your property. Modern businesses are now required to treat your privacy with the same care as financial assets. Understanding these rights helps you navigate the web safely. Subscribe for more basics on how the digital world impacts your personal life.